Hi everybody! Today I'm going to give you a simple upcycle idea. Indeed, it is often possible to create something amazing with just waste material that we all have at home. For example, we have a cardboard box, a paper, glue, scissors, and tape. What can we create with these materials? Here is my suggestion. We are going to build a funny little house. First, take the box. If your box is not graphically uniform, you can glue a paper around it to be able to decorate the box as you like. Then, take the center of the top of the box and draw two lines toward the opposite edges. Cut the excess and repeat on the other face. This will be the support of the roof. It's time to draw the doors and the windows of your house. Then highlight the parts that you need to cut to open them. Help yourself with the tip of the scissor to make a small hole along the line you highlighted and then cut them. Warning: if you want to keep the door or the windows jambs, make sure you do not cut the outer sides that will serve as pivot. Now draw on a sheet of paper the edge of the box and cut it out. Insert the sheet inside the box. And now you can sketch the outline of the windows and the door opened. Take the sheet off and draw the interiors. Now use your imagination. Who lives in the little house and what can you see through the openings? When you are done, spread some glue on the empty parts between the windows and put the sheet back into the box and attach it on the inner face. Now let's concentrate to the outside of the cottage. How the doors and the windows are made, and the jambs? Is the house made of stones, bricks, or wood? You can decorate just the front face or the fore of it. Focus all your imagination to design your own little house. It's time to put the roof on. Take another piece of cardboard, draw a rectangle a bit bigger of the box base and cut it off. Draw the tiles or glue some little paper squares to create a 3D effect. Now comes the tricky part. You need to attach the roof to the house. First, you should fix the side part of the roof with a tape, and then you make it more stable with other tape around the edge. But I want to suggest you a trick to make your house even cooler. Before sealing the roof, take a LED strip and put it inside the box. Keep the switch out and fix it with the tape on the back of the box. Now turn the light off and you create a fantastic night light. I hope you had fun and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.